I was sent this so I could give an honest review. Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Today we're going to look at this clock. Let's take a look at this. All right, let's take a look at this. This is a really nice box. Look at how nice this box is. It's got a nice foam protector here over top. Comes with your cord, power pack. Let's see what this looks like. It's got a really nice protection here for it. I wanted to make sure to arrive with no damage, that's for sure. Ooh, that's nice. Let's go ahead and get this plugged in and see what it looks like. It's got a really nice long cord, so that's neat. Okay. You can change the background of the clock by just holding the OK button. You can see the different all kinds of different backgrounds according to what you want to look at. It's got like a standard clock there, and all different colors of letters. All I'm doing is pushing the OK button, and you can just switch between them. I like that one there. All different kinds, whichever one you want. Whichever one you want to use. I like that one. And then you got your menu. And you can choose all these different functions. Let's see here. You can set the date, set the time mode. You can have either a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock if you're in the military or something. You can do it that way. It has auto dimming. And if you leave it for a while without hitting anything, it goes off. But let's go down to the auto dimming. You can auto dim as mid, low, so if you don't want it to be real bright, or you can have it auto. So that's neat. It's got your volume. It's got your volume. So you can turn the volume down or up according to how you want it. It's got an alarm, a medicine reminder. You can set it to go off at a certain time for your medicine. You can set the text from uppercase to lowercase. Oops. Alarm set, and it even has an automatic for daylight savings time, so that's neat. Got the different languages. Let me see what languages it has here. Dutch, French, Espanol, Italian, Portuguese, Polish, Netherlands, Finnish, and English. So there are quite a few different languages. Here's all the different alarm settings. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Doctor's appointment, blood sugar test, time for bed. Different alarms that you can set. So that's really neat. I'll run through all the different alarms here. So you can set an alarm, and then it tells you at that time what you need to do. That's really neat. And it does have another feature that I didn't know it had. It has the ability to use it as a photo frame. It's got a USB port here on the back, and put a flash drive in there that you have some photos on it, and it'll show the photo on here. So that's really neat. So I really like that you have the ability to change the background, and you can also use it for a photo frame. Really nice, a sturdy base here, and it comes in a really nice box that would be suitable for giving. And so this is a really neat, very functional clock. You can see these letters are really big, so it's, you know, for those of us who are getting older and have a hard time seeing, you're able to see these letters very well. So yeah, alrighty, I hope that was helpful. This is Papa Blue Shirt. Have a great day.